Remember these? Today we're flipping Spalding Executives from 1977. But first, I want to explain why I think this is a risky flip, even though they were sold to me for only $5. These clubs' resale value isn't very high. During the high season, I would have sold those for $70 to $80, but now that the season is coming to an end, I don't think I can sell those for more than $50. Then there was the travel time. These were 10 minutes away from the shop, which means 20 minutes back and forth. And I think I need at least 40 minutes to flip those, for a total of 60 minutes of my time. Now, if I resell them $50, bought them for $5, include in the math the usual $5 for product use and normal tool wear, this leaves me with a $40 profit margin. $40 for 60 minutes of work, not that bad, you'd say. But it doesn't give me buffer time if ever I encounter issues. That's the risk. But they're in a very good condition. Minor scratches only, chamois grip, which is precious when you're flipping golf clubs because they don't dry up, and the shaft is like new. So I'm willing to give these a try and hope for the best. So let's get to work. Welcome back to Fairway Flips. If you're wondering why I'm not trying harder to remove all those scratches, well, it's because of the resale value. I could spend the whole day on these clubs that they wouldn't sell for more. So we're sticking to minimal work here. Alright, so I was able to clean them all up in 12 minutes, which leaves us 28 minutes to finish the job. It seems like a lot, but we still need to remove the paint from the numbers, repaint, and take pictures. "42 minutes. 2 minutes over the mark. But that's still very acceptable. Now I hear all your questions.
Why did you lose so much time on painting?
I wouldn't know where to start to explain how important the painting is. We'll address this in a future video, but believe me, I've doubled the resale price of dozens of sets just by refreshing their paint.
But why those colors?
I've learned in the past that funky colored clubs matching a funky colored bag sell much quicker. Considering these have a small resale value, I thought this was a good opportunity to try just that. So this is it for this project. They're ready to be posted. If you've learned anything at all today and are interested in more flipping tips, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back very soon.